must go at height limit. Break 4 blocks and play glowstone. Place 3 blocks like this in the opposite direction of where you want to flood the machine. Place 2 observers like this. Place 5 slime blocks in zigzag. Place 7 blocks. You place these 2 blocks with sticky piston. Place 2 observers here and break these blocks. Place 3 slime blocks. Place 4 sticky pistons. Stand here and break these 3 blocks. Place 7 slime blocks in one direction. Place 1 slime block and 2 observers. Place 2 sticky pistons and break the dirt. So if you want to make machine more longer, you can make it as you want and place 15 slime blocks at the end like this. Break these blocks and place 2 water buckets. Place 2 walls like this and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment, and at last break that bricks and flood the server.